MJX Hypergo 1/16 brushless. It's my son's car. It's got a steering problem. It's got a single clip back here. Body lifts off. It's gone through quite a few sets of shocks. He doesn't drive it that carefully, but let's see if we can get a battery in there and investigate what the steering problem is that he's having. It's a good little car. I didn't include it in my best beginners cars because it's on the expensive side here. It's not getting much in the way of steering. I don't know if you can see it. But if you look down here at the servo arm, when you can see that screw is coming in and out, so I'm hoping it's just that it's loose. So I'll pause and take the battery out, and well, I'll take the battery out now, and let's see how bad it is to get to. I don't really want to pull out all the stuff. There's a screw there, there's a screw there. It doesn't look like there'll be much more than those, so let's give it a go. That's better. Looks like it might. Bogans. Okay. So then there's some screws holding in that. Just down in here. You can see those there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I might get away with it. I don't want to put too much strain on these, and I know that's double-sided tape. Let's see how we go. Alright, we're back. I've just got this one to go out of here. And there we go. Alright. It doesn't look like there's much play in it, which is a bit disconcerting because I was really hoping this would be it. It's got a cutout in this servo arm, so I'm in two minds as to what to do there, because it's a small 3-wire servo. I could probably swap it, but I don't think it's actually the servo that's the problem, it's this little arm. See, that's sprung. Spring there. Don't lose the spring. Yeah, I'm perplexed as to how I can resolve that, because that's obviously on a ball joint, and that's already in situ. I'll go get the other servo horn. One moment. So this is the arm that's been sent, and yeah, that's about the right length. My concern is how will I get this on and line it up straight. I think there'll be some fiddling involved, but it's quite so that's obviously meant to go on. That's a direct toothy swap, so that's got to go like that. That spring would still sit in there, and I guess that screw would still go in. Let's see, will that pull it down? Is that actually even pushing it onto the splines? I don't think it is. It might be. Except it's on upside down, isn't it? Because it's got to go that way up. And I've got it on upside down. Murphy's Law. I'm no expert. I'm just a dad trying to fix his kid's thing, right? That way. Let's go sit in there. Okay. Nearly back. No, I'm not. Because that's not lining up with that. Okay, let's give it a test. Let's put a battery in here. The dog's doing its best to help. Alright, nearly. Thanks, dog. You're a superstar. Okay. Steering's back. I could put a wee bit of trim in. What I had to do was actually clock this servo arm over a little bit rather than have it start vertical, because the drive or the linkage is the same length as the one that came off. I thought it would be better to just move this around, but I think what had happened is it's probably worn away. The plastic in that little V groove, I think, has just been worn away, and now it's starting to slip. So this is straight on the teeth, getting plenty of steering out of it now. So we'll put it back together and wait for the next thing that he's gonna break when he takes this thing bashing. So there you go, MJX Hyper-Go steering arm or servo arm and steering arm replacement. Get that off. I'm not very good with these battery clips and these body clips and stuff like that. All my cars, oh man, I locked it, didn't I? All my cars have got R-clips. I don't have anything this fancy. There's a little tongue thing under here
that slots in there, so I can't do it without looking, but he's very good at it. That sits in there, and you've got to hold that up, give it a jiggle, and there it goes, it's down, put that down. There we go, job's a good one. See you on the next one.